Watching an outdoor movie under the stars is such a fun family activity that can create lasting memories. I'm going to show you how to DIY your own movie screen setup that will also double as planters with some cute lighting. It'll be the perfect setup for your outdoor movie night. Lights, camera, action. To have a screen held up, you need 2 posts or something that my screen can go into. So I decided that I'm going to use whiskey barrel planters and set up cedar posts right in the center of each one. My first step is going to be to add a bit of pea gravel. This is important when I'm setting a post. I'm using about half a bag per whiskey barrel. This is a 4x4 cedar post. I chose cedar for my post so that I don't have to paint it. I like the look of the wood. Super important for this is a post leveler. This is gonna let me know and make sure that my post is nice and straight. This is a little bit of a tricky project to do alone because the post wants to go all over. So a little tip I have here is to use some scraps to kind of sandwich it between. Now that my post and gravel are into the barrel, the next step is my Quikrete. And I got fast setting Quikrete so that it can harden up as quickly as possible. You're gonna need about 1 bag of Quikrete per whiskey barrel this size. I had a 50-pound bag. For the 50-pound bag, it needs 1 gallon of water. Once my Quikrete is added, now I wanna make sure that I am really level and I wanna keep an eye on this post. And then once I know it's, got a pretty solid foundation, I can move on to the next one. My Quikrete is completely cured and hardened up, and now we're gonna get on to planting into our whiskey barrel. Because we've added concrete to the bottom of this, there's no drainage. I'm just gonna use a drill and I'm gonna add a couple drainage holes kind of on the back side. Then I'll additionally add some stone before my soil. Now I'm gonna switch to my soil. For the outdoor movie screen itself, I am using a super premium drop cloth. They come in different quality levels. So this is the super premium. That means that it's gonna have less pills. It's also backed with plastic, so it's almost like a blackout curtain. I'm gonna paint this canvas with ultra white flat paint. That's kind of gonna give me the look and the feel of the high-end projection screens. This is definitely something where you can run a whole spectrum of what you use for your screen. Really, what matters is that you want a smooth surface as white as possible. Once dry, I'm cutting my screen down to size. Mine will be 9 feet by 6 feet. I'm using a grommeting kit to add metal grommets to each corner. This is how the screen will attach to the posts. The grommet will add strength and stability to the corners and prevent the fabric from ripping. I'm pre-drilling holes into my cedar posts and adding hooks that the grommets will attach onto. Make sure that you install your hooks at the same height in each post so that your screen will be level. Then just pop your new screen right onto the hooks. A few finishing touches and this space is just about ready for movie night. And just like that, we have an awesome outdoor movie setup for your family. The biggest question is, what are you gonna watch first?